Hello, dear students, and once again, welcome back to Caroline Shaji's channel. Do you remember in lesson 5, we were discussing how the present continuous tense changes into the past continuous tense when we change a sentence from direct to indirect speech. So today I'm going to discuss the answers with you first, and then we are going to move on to lesson 6. So let's come to the exercise that I gave you and we can solve the answers right here, right away. Vishnu said, I am washing the car. Now the answer, Vishnu said that he was washing the car. Now the next one, Reena said, he is playing football. So the answer, Reena said that he was playing football. If you recall, I've told this to you earlier. The words am and the word is are going to change into the word was. And when we have the word are, which is going to come next, are will change into were. So let's look at the third one. Prithvi said they are studying hard. So here you have the word are and it's going to change into were. So the answer, Prithvi said that they were studying hard. Now let's look at the fourth one. Diksha said the baby is crying. Now in this case you can see there is no pronoun used. Usually in the sentences which I gave you, there was a pronoun and you had to change that pronoun maybe into another word. For example, I changed into he or she depending on the person. But here you have a subject. You have the baby. So what's going to be my answer?
Diksha said that the baby was crying.
And then coming to the final one, Mamta said, the farmers are sowing seeds. Here again you have the word are, and as you already know, it's going to change into the word were. So the answer, Mamta said the farmers were sowing seeds. With that, we come to the end of the discussion on the answers. So let's begin lesson 6. So what do we have in lesson 6? In lesson 6, we are going to talk about the present perfect tense and how it changes into the past perfect tense. So first of all, let me tell you, in the present perfect tense, you have got just two words, and those two words are has or have. Now this has or have is going to be used in combination with verb 3. For example, if the root verb is take, the past tense of take is going to be took. That's going to be V2 or verb 2. And the third form is going to be the past participle, and that's going to be taken. So take, took, taken, the third form of the verb. So my sentence is going to have words like this: has taken or have taken. Or let's take the word eat, then the past tense of eat is ate, and the third form of that word is eaten. So I'll have to use the sentence with words like has eaten, have eaten. But when you're changing direct to indirect speech, you need not worry at all, because all you've got to do is change that has or have into had. That much only. Didn't you see? It is easy. So let me take a sentence. Alright. Ravina said she has done her homework. So how is this sentence going to change? I'm going to write it like this. Ravina said that she had done her homework. So all the change that you can see here is the comma changes into that, and the word has is simply changing into had. Now let me take the same sentence but make a few changes. Ravina said they have done their homework. Ravina said they have done their homework. This sentence is going to change like this. Ravina said that they had done their homework. So you can see that it's really easy just to remove that word has or have and change it into had. If you have a plural word coming there, it's going to be have obviously, but if there's a singular, then there's going to be has. But whatever it be, whether it is singular or it is plural, it's going to change into the word had. So all we've got to keep in mind is has and have just change into had. But that is when it is in the present perfect form. So the present perfect form is going to change into the past perfect form. Now, like always, I have a very small exercise for you. And as I always give you 5 sentences, today also I've got just 5. So I want you to solve this before we get on with the next lesson, and that would be lesson 7. I hope that this lesson made sense to you. You've understood how the change is happening. Keep watching. We're going to meet up soon. Thank you.